Are you a law enforcement officer? Or do you work as a lawyer? Or are you a digital evidence examiner? And are you looking for a cyber tool for digital investigation? If your answer is yes, then let's get started.
In this video, we will show you the simplest method of how to download multiple Gmail emails into PDF format with attachments also. Gmail also provides an option to download your email in PDF format, but here is a limitation: you can download only a single email at a time. If you want to download emails in bulk, so this option is complicated for you and wastes yours too much time. And when you open your downloaded PDF file, then you can see the email header will be not removed. We brings you the perfect solution with SysTools Gmail backup software. The software provides an option to download your all emails into PDF format with attachments in just one click. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. Here you can see, the software comes with a simple and user-friendly interface. Now enter your account credentials in the respective field options. Then hit the login button below. In this window, you can see multiple options to choose. Now you can click on Select Email Format to choose the PDF option from drop-down menu. Use of the naming convention option to save emails with different names from them. Enable the Save Attachment on Disk option to download Gmail account attachments. The downloaded attachment will be stored in a folder with an email format name. You can also choose different categories like emails, calendars, contacts, and document. You can mark and unmark these categories as per your requirement. Choose the Browse option to change the default destination location. After making the desired changes, then click the OK button. You can also choose the Apply Filter option to mark and unmark the required emails folder for the backup process. You can make changes as per your requirement. Below you can see the Date Filter option to backup emails according to a certain date range. Finally, click on the Start button to start the Gmail emails conversion process. Now you can see the live process of Gmail emails converting into PDF format. After the process gets completed successfully, then hit the OK button. Now let's check out the output files. Now go to Destination Path. Here you can see your Gmail account converted folders. Open any folder to get an instant preview of converted PDF files and his attachments also. Here you can see the downloaded PDF file has no email header and HTML links are also maintained.
The #1 cyber tool for email evidence investigation is SysTools Mail Examiner. You can also check out the official website to see what features and functions it has. The page URL can be found in the video description.